Mike, get out of the water right now! Swim back to the shore immediately!
Dad, what is wrong? Why are you screaming so loud from the beach?
Look right behind you, Mike. There is a giant black fin cutting through the water.
Shark! It is a huge shark! Mike, swim faster before it gets closer to you! Everyone get out of the ocean! There is a dangerous predator swimming near the children!
Oh no, my sweet boy is too far out. Someone please help him right away.
I am trying to swim, but my arms feel so heavy, and the water is pulling me! Ah!
Watch out for that giant wave. Duck under, or it will push you down deep. The wave knocked me completely underwater. I cannot see the surface or find my breath.
Lifeguard! Help my best friend Mike! A giant shark is attacking him right now!
Clear the water area right now. I am heading out to bring the swimmer back safely. Stay right here on the dry sand, Ben. Do not go back into the deep water.
I need to reach the air. Please let me get to the top of the ocean. Cough! Cough! I cannot breathe. Where is the shore? Where did the shark go?
The dark fin just vanished beneath the blue surface. Keep your eyes on the open water.
Hang on tight, young man. I am swimming right to you. Stay afloat and breathe.
Please hold on, Mike. The lifeguard is almost there. Just keep your head above water.
This is all my fault. I never should have dared Mike to swim out that far.
You are safe and sound. Hold on to the floatboard handles.
Thank you, sir. Is the scary shark coming back to bite our legs underneath us?
Keep your eyes on me and breathe slowly. We are moving safely back to the beach right now. Almost there, buddy. The water is getting shallow, so you can stand up in a moment. I have you, my brave boy. You are completely safe now. Daddy has got you tight.
Dad, I was so scared out there. I thought I was never gonna see you again.
You are back with us on the warm sand, sweetheart. Take deep breaths. Mommy is right here.
Mike, are you hurt anywhere? I am so incredibly sorry for making you swim out deep.
He swallowed a bit of seawater, but his breathing is steady and his pulse looks very good. Tell me what happened out there, son. Why did you swim way beyond the yellow safety buoys?
Ben and I wanted to see the coral reef, and we made a race to the deep water. It was my silly idea, Uncle. I told Mike he was scared if he did not follow me.
Dangerous dares are not games, Ben. True friends protect each other from danger instead of taking risks.
Drink some clean water, boys. When you ignore safety boundaries, accidents can happen in just 1 second.
When that wave hit me, I felt so helpless. I thought I was gonna disappear forever.
We love you both so much. That is why rules exist at the beach, to keep everyone alive and safe.
I promise I will never challenge you to do anything unsafe ever again, Mike. Best friends forever? Best friends forever, Ben. Let us always stick together and follow the safety rules from now on.
Look out at the water. People are saying the creature is still swimming around near the sandbar.
Stay on the beach, everyone. I am going to inspect the swimming area with my binoculars now.
Let us see what is really moving out there beyond the first line of ocean waves.
I spot the gray animal swimming slowly. That does not look like a shark's rigid movement. Wait a minute. Look at that curved fin and the little spray of water blowing into the air.
It is leaping right out of the water. That is definitely not a dangerous ocean shark at all.
Attention beachgoers, great news! The animal in the swimming zone is just a friendly bottlenose dolphin.
It is a dolphin! Thank goodness everyone is safe. What a wonderful and beautiful ocean surprise.
A dolphin? Dad, did you hear that? I was running away from a playful, friendly dolphin. We got completely terrified and ran for our lives because of a cute baby dolphin.
What an enormous relief. My heart was pounding so fast, but nature gave us a happy ending.
Look at him jump over the waves. He was probably just curious and wanted to say hello to us. Dolphins are so intelligent and friendly, but in deep water they can easily startle young swimmers.
Hello, family. Now that everyone's calm, this is the perfect moment for a quick ocean lesson.
Yes, please, Mr. Lifeguard. We really want to learn how to stay completely safe in the water.
Always swim strictly between the red and yellow flags. That marks the safest area supervised by lifeguards.
If you see a solid red flag, it means high danger and rough waves. Never enter the water then.
What does this yellow sign mean, Mr. Ryan? Does it warn us about deep water and currents?
Exactly, Ben. A yellow sign warns of strong undertows. If caught in a current, never fight it head on.
How should we escape if a strong current starts pulling us away from the sandy beach?
Stay calm, float on your back, and swim parallel to the shoreline until you escape the pull. That is such crucial advice. Remembering these important rules can save your life during an emergency.
And the golden rule: whenever you hear a lifeguard whistle, stop immediately, look up, and listen carefully.
We promise to always listen to your whistle and stay between the safety flags, Officer Ryan.
You boys learned a big lesson today. I am officially making you honorary Junior Beach Safety Scouts.
Wow, look at our shiny badges. We are real safety scouts now, Ben. This is so awesome.
Thank you for saving our son and teaching us so much today, Officer Ryan. Have a great shift.
Who is ready for a delicious beach picnic? We have fresh sandwiches, juicy watermelon, and cold lemonade.
Yum. This cold watermelon tastes amazing after all that swimming and running in the salty water.
Nothing beats a beach picnic with my best buddy after surviving our big dolphin adventure.
Here is to family, true friendship, and learning important lessons that make us wiser every day.
Cheers to a wonderful and safe beach day. May all our future adventures be smart and safe.
The water feels so nice and cool right here in the shallow zone where we can stand easily. Let us build the biggest sand fortress on the entire beach. We can make tall towers and walls. I found these shiny white and pink shells. They will make our sandcastle look like a royal palace. Pass me more wet sand, Mike. We need to build a deep moat around the castle to stop the waves. Look at our masterpiece. It is the strongest and most beautiful sand fortress on the whole coastline.
Say cheese, boys. Show me your biggest and happiest smiles for this special family photo album.
Cheese! Take the picture quick before a little wave comes and tickles our toes, Mom.
Perfect. That photo captured pure joy and true friendship. You two look so handsome and happy.
Catch this high pass, boys. Let us see who has the best beach ball coordination today.
I got it, Dad. Ben, it is flying right over to your side. Get ready to spike it back.
Saved it right at the last second. What a great rally. Keep the ball bouncing high.
You splashed me with cool water, Ben. Take this gentle splash right back at you.
Look up at the sky, everyone. The golden sunset is starting to illuminate the entire ocean horizon.
What a beautiful and eventful afternoon. Everything turned out safe and peaceful for our family.
Today started out really scary, Ben, but now it feels like the best beach memory ever. I learned that being brave does not mean doing reckless things. Being smart keeps us safe together. That is right. Real adventure is exciting, but protecting the people you love always comes first.
Look out there one last time. The friendly dolphin is leaping goodbye against the golden sunset sky.
Goodbye, friendly dolphin. Thank you for the unforgettable reminder to always respect the ocean.
Let us pack up all our trash and gear so we leave this gorgeous beach clean and beautiful.
We are heading home safe, happy, and ready for our next smart adventure together tomorrow morning.
Adventure is always wonderful, but safety will always come first.
Best friends and safety scouts forever.